What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Today we are going to be making caramel apple pie. So we've already made pie crust a couple times on our channel before, so I'm not going to go through this step by step, but I will link our recipe in the description below. Okay, you guys, so the first step is to peel your apples. I am using more than just these 3 apples, but I started cutting them before peeling them, and so I already put them in this bowl. But once your apples are peeled, you can start slicing them into really thin slices.
Okay, we got our apples all cut up. So to that, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of sugar, a couple tablespoons of flour, okay, and then a couple tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, once we get all that added, I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and get that all mixed together. We're gonna start assembling. So we are making a couple different pies, and so you can see we're using a cast iron skillet for this one. But we're gonna do kind of a rough layer of apples first. Okay, and then we're gonna take our caramel pieces. We just got these little ones, caramel bits. We're gonna do a little layer of those as well. I'm gonna be a little generous because these things are good. And now I'm gonna go again, layer it again. And this is gonna come out pretty heaping, and it's gonna be so good. We're so excited for this. Oh, run away, apple. Oh, just pushing some out of there. Then I'm gonna add a few more caramels. Try to get them somewhat evenly spread. There's a giant pile right here in the middle. I'm gonna spread those out just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the rest of our apples on top, make it a heaping pie. Okay, kind of spread it out a little bit, get some down on the sides here. Okay. And then top it off with just a few more caramels on top. Woo! Runaway caramels. I'm going to add some of these by hand. I don't know why anyone's never I've never had this before, caramel apple pie, but this is one of our better ideas, I think.
Okay, now that we've got our pie filled, I am going to start a little bit of a lattice crust to top it. You can just do a regular full circle of the pie crust on top if you want, or you can do something kind of fun with it too.
So put foil here on the top, and we're gonna leave our pie like this for the first 15 minutes of our baking time of about 45 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in.
Okay, you guys, it's been 15 minutes. We're just gonna take off the foil. Check it out. Still got about 30 minutes to go. Okay, you guys, it's been about 45 minutes. Oh my gosh. You can see the bits of melted caramel all in the top. Check this out. It doesn't look very brown on camera, but it's totally brown and got those crispy edges.
All right, so this pie is cooled now, so we're gonna go ahead and try to cut it here. Wow, you can feel how crisp and cooked that pie crust is. All right, so we got the first one out. Let's see if we can get the second one out a little bit cleaner here. Just gotta set separate it off a little bit. All right, there we go. Came out good, just gotta get the point there, and there you go. There's our slice. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving again. Kisses.
Good job.